my name is the Coder Kid, and I'm going to show you how to make and use for loops in Python. So what a for loop is, it's a loop which iterates, I'm not sure, but it iterates through a sequence. So a sequence is a list, a dictionary, set of numbers, a string, and all of that. But for time's sake, I'm only going to do three things: a list, a string, and a set of numbers. So enjoy. So I'm going to start with the numbers, and to make a for loop is pretty easy. You're just going to write for I in, and then since I'm doing numbers, I'm going to write range, then parentheses, and then I'm going to write the numbers that I want to start from and end from. But the thing is about the Python for loops is that when you start and you specify an end number, it actually stops at the number before that number. So if I wanted it to do 1, 10, 10, what this would print is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But I want it to also have 10 in it, so I'll make this an 11. So now when I print I, and I doesn't even have to be named I, it could be named mozzarella stick, number, it doesn't really matter. So then when I run this, it'll print 1 through 10. So let's say I have a string that I want to run through. So to do that, I'm just going to write for I in, and then write the string. It's going to be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. And then just print I, and then when I run this, it's going to print A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. And let's say I have a list that I want to run through. So I'll first have to make the list, which I'll call the list. It's just going to contain computer parts, so mouse, keyboard, and monitor. And then I'm just going to make the for loop, so for on in. Then I'm going to write the underscore list, then print I, and then run this. It's going to print mouse, keyboard, and monitor. So that's how you make and use for loops in Python.